Dear students, in this video, we are going to discuss about overflow conditions. What is mean by overflow? Overflow means it is too big to fit in the specified area. Let me see about overflow condition with respect to the binary addition and binary subtraction. Let me see. So what is mean by greater than or equal to 0? If the number is greater than or equal to 0, it is said to be positive number. When the number is less than 0, we can say it is the negative number, as we all know. So here we have 4 cases that cause an overflow conditions. Take the first one, A plus B. So what about the type of first operand? It is nothing but positive because operand A is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So what about the operand B? It is nothing but again it is greater than or equal to 0 means it is a positive number. So when we add two positive number, we should get the result in positive. But here, what about the result? Here we get the result in negative means that cause an exception. Take the second cases. So when we add two numbers, the first number is negative, the second number also negative. When we add two negative numbers, we should get the result in negative. But here we get result in positive means that cause an exception. Third and fourth cases is about binary subtraction. When we subtract B from A, let me see. The sign of the first operand is said to be positive and the second operand is said to be negative. So when we subtract a negative number from positive number, we should get the result in positive. But here we get the result in negative means that cause an overflow. Okay, take the fourth cases. So the first operand is the type of negative. The second operand is the type of positive numbers. When we subtract positive from negative, we should get the result in negative. But here we get the result in positive means we can say that cause an overflow. So this is about two's complement. So we can say the two's complement method is the efficient method for performing the arithmetical operation, especially subtractions. The range of the two's complement is nothing but minus 2 power n minus 1 to plus 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. So here we can say the first term refers the largest negative number. The second term refers the largest positive number. Likewise, the range of 1's complement is nothing but minus 2 power n minus 1 minus 1 to 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. Okay. Therefore, the largest negative number is nothing but minus 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. The largest positive number is nothing but 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. Okay, here let me see the example for this 2's complement. A computer with 32-bit word size uses 2's complement to represent the number. The range of integers that can be represented by this computer is dash. Okay, here we have to find the range of 2's complement for the given bit specified. So what about the word size here? It is nothing but 32-bit. So now we have to substitute n. Okay, so n is nothing but 32 bit as we all know. So therefore the range of 2's complement is nothing but minus 2 power 32 minus 1 to 2 power 32 minus 1 minus 1. So we get the result minus 2 power 31 to 2 power 31 minus 1. This is the result of the given question. Okay, so what is meant by interrupt? Interrupt is nothing but unscheduled event. When you execute the program, you have interrupt. So what is mean by it is the unscheduled event, or we can say unscheduled procedure call. Okay, when the MIPS detects overflow with an exception is called interrupt. So what is mean by exception and interrupt? These two are unscheduled procedure call, as I said earlier. So when we perform signed arithmetical operation, what is mean that add, I, sub? These are the signed arithmetical operations. Add I refers the add immediate. So here one of the operand should be a constant. Okay, as we all know, we have learned in the first unit. So this kind of operation definitely cause an exception on overflow. Okay, when we perform the unsigned arithmetical operation like add u, add iu, sub u. So when we perform this kind of unsigned arithmetical operation, it do not cause exception on overflow. So let me see some MCQs. The range of 2's complement we know very well. The range of 2's complement is nothing but minus 2 power n minus 1 to plus 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. MIPS detects overflow with an exception, also called, and we know very well, overflow with an exception is said to be interrupt. Option C is the correct answer. A computer with 32-bit word size uses 2's complement to represent the number. The range of integers that can be represented by this computer is dash. We know very well. So 2's complement, the range of 2's complement is nothing but 2 power n minus 1 minus 2 power n minus 1, 2 plus 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. So when we substitute n as 32 means we get the result of option C. Minus 2 power 31 to 2 power 31 minus 1, which already we discussed in the previous slide. Using 4-bit 2's complement arithmetic, which of the following additions will result in an overflow? So take the first operation is nothing but 1100 plus 1100. Take the second operation is nothing but 0011 plus 0111. Third operation is nothing but addition of 1111 and 0111. So which operation will result in an overflow? Or we can say that cause an overflow. Therefore, we can say option B is the correct answer. 2 only. So let me see how. Take the first operation. When we add 110 and 110, we get the result 11000. Here, the first bit is said to be carry bit. We know very well. When we add to 4-bit, we should get the 4-bit. So the fifth bit is said to be a carry. Okay, we should ignore the carry. Then we have to check the sign bit. Okay, sign bit of the result is nothing but 1. So what about the 1? If the sign bit is 1 means we can say it is a negative number. So if 2 negative numbers added means it should create or it should generate the negative result. Okay, so it is correct. When we add 2 negative numbers, we should get the negative result. Okay, the sign of the result is nothing but 1. Okay, it is nothing but negative. Take the second operations. When we add 0011 plus 0111, we get the result 10110. What about the sign of the first operand is nothing but positive. What about the sign of the second operand is nothing but positive. Okay, when we add 2 positive number, we should get the result in positive. So let me check the result of this operation is nothing but 1010. What about the sign bit here? It is nothing but 1. So 1 refers sign we know. When we add two positive numbers, we should get the result in positive. But here we get the result in negative. We can say this is the overflow. We can say it causes an overflow exception. Take the third cases. So what about the sign of the first operand? It is nothing but 1. What about the sign of the second operand? It is nothing but 0. The first one is negative, the second one is positive. So what about the result of this 1 0 110? So it never comes under the underflow condition. So when the both operand having the same sign means we have to check the overflow condition. As we all know, we have learned in the second slide. Okay, therefore we can say option 2 only cause an overflow. Therefore answer B is the correct answer. Which of the following is the most efficient to perform the arithmetic operation on the numbers? Sign, magnitude, 1's complement, 2's complement, or 9's complement. As we all know, in order to perform the efficient operations or efficient way to perform the arithmetical operation is said to be 2's complement. Thank you.